Hello makers, and welcome back to the AGF channel for another video in our So Easy series. Today I will be showing you how to make a weaved clutch using our new Fusion collection by AGF Studio called Duality. Because some things in life are just black and white, fall in love with the unique patterns and iconic prints from our Duality Fusion collection. Mix the light and the dark tones that can be sprinkled in your sewing projects for extra contrast, or use them together to create statement pieces. The two prints we are using for the weaved clutch are Mindful Paths White and Mindful Paths Black. So go grab your Duality bundle and let's get sewing! Here is what you will need: 16 18 by 2 inch strips of Mindful Paths White, 10 18 by 2 inch strips of Mindful Paths Black, 2 9.5 by 6 3/4 inch rectangles of our pure solid in steel, a zipper at least 14 inches long, one 20-inch square of fusible interfacing, scissors, pins, a fabric pen, a 20-inch square of foam board. Start by taking your black and white strips to your ironing board. Fold each strip in half wrong sides together and finger press to create a light crease. Unfold and fold each long side in wrong sides together so they meet in the middle at your crease. Do this for all your white and black strips. Grab your foam board and draw a horizontal and vertical line that intersect in the middle. This doesn't have to be exact, just make sure the lines are perfectly perpendicular to use as a guide. Place your interfacing on top of the foam board with the fusible side up. To begin the weaving process, place your white strips horizontally, lining up the first white strip with the line you drew. Pin the strips to the foam board at each end. Grab your black strips and weave them in and out of the white strips. Line the first black strip up with the vertical line you drew and pin in place. With your second black strip, weave it under and over the opposite strips that you did the first strip so it begins to look like a checkerboard. Continue weaving and pinning until you have used all your strips. Next, grab your iron and fuse your strip set to the interfacing underneath to keep all the strips together while assembling the clutch. Draw two rectangles that are 9.5 by 6 3/4 and stitch 1/8 of an inch inside the line you drew to keep the weave from coming undone. Cut on the line you drew. Lay one lining piece down, followed by the zipper right side up, and then one weaved piece right side down. Using your zipper foot on your machine, sew the three pieces together before flipping the pieces right side out and top stitching 1/8 of an inch away. Do the same for your other clutch pieces. Make sure to unzip your zipper halfway before matching the lining pieces right sides together and the weaved pieces right sides together. Pin and sew 1/4 inch around the entire piece, leaving an opening to turn right side out. Trim your corners and cut off the excess zipper. Turn right side out and sew your opening closed. I chose to hand stitch here, but use whichever method you choose to close the opening. Stuff your lining inside your clutch and you are finished! If you like this video and plan to sew with Duality Fusion soon, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you plan to make. Until next time, happy sewing everyone!